I found a love for me. Darling, just dive right in and follow my lead. Well, I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. Well, I never knew you were the someone waiting for me, 'cause we were just kids when we fell.
The beginning of the journey. First meeting in college, I was blown away by your confidence, beauty and directness. Even back then, you knew what you wanted and wanted to claim it by any means. This first item signifies the first item I ever purchased for you. And if I'm honest, this is the most, well, the second most now, favorite item I have, because it just means so much to where the journey has started and where the journey is going to.
Barefoot on the grass, we're listening to our favorite song. When you said you looked a mess, I whispered underneath my breath, but you heard it. Darling, you look perfect tonight. Well, I found a
Blown away by everything with you. I'm just so happy that you've chosen me. I can't imagine spending one more second in this world with someone else. I love annoying you. I love you annoying me. I just love every part about you. And I looked and I said, there's no way anyone's putting up with me. No one's putting up with me the way you look out for me. I'm so privileged to have you in my life. And I'm ready to make you a giwa. I know you're ready. So I'm gonna ask you, Sahara Shadley Londa Patanti, would you make me the happiest guy in this world? Would you marry me?
between my arms, barefoot on the grass, or listening to our favorite song. I have faith.